to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. Rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm trying to build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm trying to build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. From nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm tryna build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on an empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. From nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay, mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. Rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping at all. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular.
Okay.
Showing me the camera. This thing is kind of delayed here. Oh, it is delayed. What the hell? Okay. Give me a second, guys.
Oh, hello. blinking. Where's your screen gone?
Can you guys see my screen now?
No. Just a logo.
There we go.
There we go. We're back online. Who's got their buy stops and sell stops for FOMC?
Not me.
Have
Put them
you?
on.
Got a few hours yet.
Put them on. Place your bets.
Man, you know I'm still in that freaking London session trade.
God damn.
Oh, snap. Balls of steel.
I took a nap.
Well, you didn't miss much.
I know, it's been crap. Volume's so bad.
Yeah, it's terrible.
I'm still looking for sales though.
Edwin's asking, did anyone survive Nas?
I didn't take it. I didn't take both. Only gold.
Man, I hopped onto the stream like just a little bit late, and I saw Abe was in the gold trade. I'm like, I didn't have trade of 8 up. I was just like, looks pretty decent. I'll take it. And then I turned on trade of 8. I put my stop above, like some resistance. Instantly got stopped out, and I was like, motherfucker! I'm so stupid. I never should have taken that without looking at the chart.
For once, I jumped on late and I didn't actually enter it. For once.
But then I took Nas. Nas pulled back. I shorted the highs and made back the money, plus just a tiny bit extra.
Oh, you use a different stop loss on gold than I did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was just like, oh yeah, there looks good. Apparently wasn't, because it took me out and instantly reversed back down.
Yeah, it was choppy as fuck.
Yeah.
I saw the 50%, and I was like, I'm done.
That was a good choice. I saw how choppy gold and Nas was, and I was just like, nah, time to leave.
Time to leave.
I'm actually looking at gold going up from here. Sorry.
I could see that.
It's possible, but until that happens, I'm sticking to sales.
Yeah, I see the trade as the buy at the bottom of the range. That was nice. That would have been really nice.
Yeah.
I wasn't at my desk, but yeah, it looks super, super clean.
I'm good, Flavishino. I hope I pronounced your name right. Man.
Sorry.
Oh, Nas is dropping. US 500. You got stopped out. Wait, you took US 500 and NAS
And gold. Damn you,
and
Eddie.
gold? What the fuck? Why would you do that? NAS and US 500, that's the same trade. Why would you take both? I'm assuming it must be Gideon.
Yeah. He had a mind melt. He saw Abe in a trade, Gideon in a trade. He's like, what do I do? What do I do? Just press every button.
Yeah, the thing is that Edwin, NASA and yes, they're pretty much the same pair because they pretty much do the same thing. That's why it was very risky to take them both at the same time.
There's absolutely no reason to take both. That'd be like trading US oil and then UK oil. It's like, why the fuck would you take both?
Yeah, the fact that this move to the downside did not break this low, there's a chance we could go up, but until that happens, we'll stick to these sales. And now we'll start looking for buys once we break above 34.12 pretty much. 34.12, 34.16. Start looking for buys.
If a big seller comes in now, I might short it.
Man, I've just closed that London session trade right here. As soon as I ended London session, I got in bed, I went straight to sleep.
Well, let's be honest. No one can time the perfect bottom exit. Unless you're ICT or ICT trader, then you can do it. You can post a screenshot of it.
Oh, bye.
Oh, it's
gift.
probably
It's a
pie
gift.
exit.
It's a gift. Oh man, this is like in my pot.
Yeah, it looks like it.
God, want a big fat seller just to go nope, straight back down, but not looking like it. Not looking like it.
I think they got reminded that war is bad and good for gold.
Yeah, that was crazy. I didn't understand that at all.
Yeah, it's just ranging, it's in the range. I'm not selling it though until it pretty get to where this entry is. Not selling it before this minor will start breaking, and then we can start talking. But until then, I'm gonna keep waiting, keep sitting on my hands. Right now it's a 50-50% chance. Because we got this high, created this low, came down, so let's go back in. Try to push back up, buyers try to push back up, so let's go back in. And then the sellers created this support here, barely breaking the minor low, which is fine. Now we back up here again, rejecting. Okay, what's going to happen here? Are we just gonna break this minor high, then break this major high of this range? Or are the sellers gonna get back in here and drive price down? And if that happens, this time we should come all the way down and break this low, and potentially this previous major low right here. I don't know what's gonna happen there. I just know if this holds again, we should at least come back to 35.57. Can the buyers gain back the momentum they had yesterday? But the sellers took over from 34.48. We're about to find out.
Someone just sold like 94 lots at 3,400.
Oh yeah. Oh man, we're
Yeah,
on a
but
giant number.
yeah, I got to see if he closes below that because it's too risky to try and short it.
Join him, Wow.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it doesn't. If it closes below, it might be good, but
Because we're ranging and we're sitting on top of a giant number, and you know it's gonna chop all over that number and create a POC on it, and it's gonna be a shit fest.
Always keep your heart open. Know you'll forever be enough.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Straight back to 3,400. Do it, gold.
I'm gonna change this to 1 hour support. This is
No, I'm not
a
in bias.
15-minute major here. The new range.
Oh, you're still in NAS? Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah, it should keep going. Plenty of room to downside. Did you take the sell buy?
Yeah. Got a little bit of 30 pips now. Just gonna see what happens.
The reason why I've not really been using that other flow is that I'm like, man, even if I see anything, I'm still not gonna take it.
Keep coming.
Yeah. It's like you look at it, but you don't trade off of it, so there's no point to actually look at it if you're not
Yep.
gonna do it.
Exactly.
Yeah, I took it off of 33.99.4, which wasn't the best.
And I just feel like I understand range is so much better now compared to 2 years ago.
It's amazing what you learn over time, isn't it? Just got to keep at it. You learn so much. Keep moving.
Facts. And you don't even have to you do have to study the charts to make the process faster, but even if you don't study the charts, just show up consistently. Just show up.
Yeah, definitely.
Like if you don't have an extra time to study the charts, just show up whenever maybe you're trading alone or you're trading with a community. Just make sure you show up and pay attention. Do that consistently. Before you know it, you just be asking yourself, man, how did I just you just take one trade on your own and be like, man, did I just win that? How did I know this was gonna happen? How did I know that was gonna happen? Well, it's because you've been watching, you've been showing up. Your mind is paying attention.
So, excuse me.
Your mind is paying attention and recording everything.
You would hope so, but let's be real. You got a bunch of YouTubers who are like, "Are you gonna buy or sell? Is that buy or sell? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? Are you in? Are you in?"
It's usually the new ones that ask those questions. Thank you, Janice. Good morning,
Stream
Joe.
hoppers.
You said stream hoppers.
Ah, there's my runner gone.
No.
Just move in one direction. Fuck.
Good. I'm glad it took out your runner.
Because you're in a buy, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Son of a bitch.
You and me both, Paul.
Oh, God.
Sorry, bye.
I don't want to be your liquidity.
Okay, there we go. Got my 20.
Hey guys, are you on YouTube at the moment, King?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you are. Okay, I won't say what I was going to say. Well, let me just say, I won a free 50k last week.
Sorry?
I won a 50k evaluation last week.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but I can't say anything. So. Here we talk about King's stream, nobody else's.
Is it a bit dodgy?
No, not at all. Anyway, let me just say, so it's on this. It's on. It's from Beulah Knox, yeah.
It's from where?
Beulah Knox. You know that prop firm, Beulah Knox, BULENOX.
Blue Knox. Yeah, I think.
Whatever.
Yeah. I've heard of him. Yeah.
And then I'm on the platform of Project X. Is that the one you're on?
Oh yeah, Top Step, Alpha Features. Yeah, that's the one they use.
Ah, but it's not Top Step though, right? But
Nah.
anyway, so I jumped into some trades. It's like it's really strange how you do it. Like you don't, like how you can put in an order, and you put like on Top Step, and you put your stop loss and your TP. But this one, you enter it at market or whatever, and then you just drag the thing to put your stop loss.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's very easy.
It's easy. I mean, it's too easy to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent.
Sorry, well, I had to get back in.
Oh, you got back in?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I already closed everything.
Oh.
Yeah. I told you guys to look for sales for now. Buys will be much lower, in my opinion, or if we close above the 1 hour resistance.
Like any trade that I take within the range is just gonna be close full, take my money and run.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you got back in right there. I would have wanted higher before the sell again.
It didn't look like it was going to get the 3,400 again, so I just did such a small entry.
Ah, okay.
If we do take this sell, guys, it's going to be 150 ticks for the stop loss. Oh, damn. Man. So, if we take this, I'm still gonna be in the London trade, and this one we're about to take.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Double dip.
Order working.
I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in.
Oh, so you'd probably be able to tighten up your stop loss on your London trade then.
Yep. As soon as we get in and this thing starts dropping, I'm gonna tighten it. I'll just move it to above this new resistance. You read my mind perfectly.
Makes sense to add into the trade if it crosses and then tighten the stop loss so less risk, but still got that good reward coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah, get pie out of there. Go back.
No!
up.
I'm trying to hold it. Oh, man.
Man, earlier when Dorothy said like she won 50K, I'm like, holy shit! Did you win $50,000? Fuck!
Yeah, that's
All
what I
right,
got.
let's go.
With FOMC tonight, expecting rate to be the same. I think volatility is expected in the market. Yeah, of course. With markets knowing rates will remain unchanged. Who knows, but there should definitely be some volatility. It's Powell speaking.
Man, FOMC days are always gigantic moves, up and down. It's like it never like goes one way. It's like always like both ways.
Damn! Look at Nas. Sheesh.
Oh yeah.
What did he do?
No, range, went back up to the supply again. Grab liquidity above the previous high and then freaking tanked.
Is that the pre-New York candle? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, take buy out. Good job, Gold.
That's the all stop me. I'll get back in. I'm gonna say, I want to see now what happens when it gets to 3,400 again.
Man, I was gonna buy it again down there. I was like, man, shit, look at that. Look at that setup. Nah, you baiting me in Gold. You're baiting me. But it went up. It did.
I just don't trust the buy until we can get past that big number.
Man, I don't trust a buy or a sell. In the middle of it.
What you gotta do, Gold?
Gonna tap 3,400. Oh, there it goes. Come on, couple more pips.
Okay,
There you go.
There
you go. Mission accomplished.
I'm not doing it. I don't trust it.
Ryan Wild does not use order block. Just supply and demand.
And a sell order block.
Ick.
It's crazy how order block just became so popular more than the real thing.
Yeah. Crazy.
Good marketing, I suppose.
Supply and demand got converted to order block by retail trader. That's some impressive.
Silver bullet play.
Impressive marketing.
Like I've never heard people say, oh, it's in the supply zone or the demand. It's always order block, fair value gap, FEG. And it's like, man, that's crazy. It's like you first become a trader and the very first thing you open up is the ICT playbook.
Yeah.
It's like your introduction to trading, ICT. Oh, also, yeah, I don't really care about the supply zone or demand zones on gold right now, Ryan. It's ranging. I only care about the high of the range and the low of the range. If it breaks out of the range, like any pullback will be met by a continuation, you would assume. So I would not look to fade the breakout of a massive consolidation.
Yep. It's your turn to answer questions today. Wow.
Damn, what happened? Hold up, Abe. You in gold cells right now? Sorry, just
Oh,
joining.
I was talking about Ryan's questions, but wait. No, James. The trade you guys see on YouTube, that I've been in that trade since London session. So that's the trade you see. I've not taken anything this session. All right, your turn now.
Trade mostly breakout strat at supplier demand. I never take breakouts. Never. I always buy the pullback or sell the pullback.
Yeah, Kidobit, I'm still in it. I went to sleep and it never got to one to one. It was pretty close, maybe like 3 or 5 ticks away. I think we stopped the London session stream after this bearish candle closed.
Oh, Ryan took my futures price.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I said I never trade a breakout. I always buy or sell that pullback move.
Yeah, Brian, I'm holding the line. I'm holding the line. It was good, DS.
You back in the sell pie?
Yeah.
Does well post on social media? Nah, James, he doesn't use social media. If never trading shit, I wouldn't be on social media either. Even though I'm on it, I barely be posting. And I don't talk too much. I just let my trading do the talking. And the one that gets it, the ones that gets it, they get it. And the ones that don't, well, they don't.
Yeah. Man, those people that you see, like those traders that are all over, like just on constantly social media, it's like, let's be real, they're probably not traders. They're probably just selling courses, selling whatever signals and scams that they can.
Okay, that's my last one. I'm sick of this shit now. Stop. Straight back up.
It's still at 50. It's still at 50-50 right now until we start breaking, some type of highs, major high, major minor high, minor low, major low.
So let's see. Mind explaining what confirmation you use to execute. So basically, geez, man, explaining order flow, that's gonna take a while. Honestly, I don't know if this stream can handle that.
Nah, they can't. It's too much knowledge. You confuse when I say ticks, I say trading CFDs. CFDs, it's just pips. Instead of saying pips and you trade futures, you say ticks. Am I right?
Yeah.
Why should you tell him to DM him on school? He's not on school. Yeah, I don't think Ryan joined us on school. He's not. Yeah, he's not there. Oh, delete this right here.
Ryan, are you in the Discord? The Abe Discord?
Is there free to join Discord? No, Discord is free.
Jeez, I don't even know what the link is for the Discord. Is it? I don't know if Abe even has it on his description anymore.
Nope, I actually don't.
uh, and I can't send pictures through YouTube, so shit. I don't know. I don't know, man.
Pay a while for a order flow one-on-one session. Too many guys have different opinions on order flow. Of course, that's how it's gonna be.
Are they allowed to like see the school chat? if they're not a like paid member?
No, they can't.
Okay.
I feel like that's the only downside to school. If you want to make a free community and a private community, then you got to pay twice every month. You pay for the free school community, and then you pay for the private community. I'm like, man, nah, I ain't freaking paying twice. What benefit am I getting from the free school community if I create it? I'm just wasting money.
Oh well. Well, anyways, I was gonna post a screenshot of the trade, and you'd see that I bought basically the low of the candle and closed at the
Post
high
it,
of the candle.
post it on school. Let me see something.
Okay.
Let me see.
All right. I posted it in school. So if Abe pulls it up on his screen, you'll be able to see the trade. Oh, actually, I got 22 pips on it, so okay.
Okay, you said you posted it. I don't know if you see it now, Ryan.
Okay, so I can't see it on your Zoom.
Oh, you can't?
No, I still see your trading view on Zoom.
Mm. See it now?
Okay, yep. All right, Ryan, you're lucky because Abe's so nice. So basically, I entered right here. You can see that little blue arrow right there. You can see this orange arrow. I exited right there. Why did I take the trade? There's a gap here. It filled the gap. Volume decreased as it filled the gap. Buyers started stepping in. I bought it with the buyers. There's a gap here. I filled the gap. I got out. That's simple.
It's probably like, shit, what am I looking at?
Yep. Because people look at order flow and they're just like, what the fuck? It looks so crazy, you know? It's like shit.
Go. Can you get that screen back up? Sorry.
Huh?
Can you pull
As
that
you
image
get it back up?
Yeah, 2 seconds. Just want to see something. Okay, so you bought that. So I sold here, 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 here.
Damn. That was funny.
Yeah, DS. It's funny, right? Like Ryan was like trying to have beef with me, and now he's like really nice. So it's like, oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. Some people they can't get over their like grudges or whatever, and you know, hey, whatever. They can stay hating. But I like to see it honestly because Ryan, you know, he's like, okay, you know, I didn't like the way he was like talking shit to the people saying buy or sell, but now he's like, okay, you know what, I get it, and now he's nice. It's like, you know, people change. That's cool. Hey,
What I
Alex.
was saying earlier is for me personally, if I'm looking at order flow, and the reason why I don't look at it is because I'm still gonna take the entries how I want to take it. Because for me personally, like if order flow says, okay, sellers got in here and got another big sell order here, well, I'm still going to wait. Because looking at this to the left, you have these gaps here and you have this minor consolidation. So if we start breaking below the minor consolidation for sales, of course I'll be expecting it to come down to fill this gap and continue to fill this and fill this
Yep.
to the left. This is what I'll still be waiting for candlestick confirmations before I get in.
Yep.
That's why I don't use it, because what's the point of me using it at that point?
Yep. Now the reason I use it is because I actually will take the trade off of it, and
Yep.
it's like, you know,
Uh,
I took that trade and what was it? It was like
Maybe if I trade on a tick
9
chart,
pip stop loss.
maybe if I trade on a tick chart, maybe I'll do it like you, but tick chart is not for me.
Yeah. It's not for most people, honestly.
Yeah, I don't use it. Just footprint for me.
And then is 1-to-1 or nothing.
Yep. Now, considering I got 22 pips off of that 9 pip stop loss, that's like 2.5 R.
Yeah. So the advantages you have from the freaking tick chart, if you realize, oh man, this is for me, and shit, you keep doing it.
I remember Faye was crushing it on the 1 minute chart. Like, man. Always like talking about the 100 pip moves. I'm like, damn, 100 pip? What the fuck? Oh, it's actually not a paid subscription. You can get it as long as you have a Trade-O-Vate account or you buy a prop firm with Trade-O-Vate. You can also get it with them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would just go with personally for introduction to it. I just look at Trade-O-Vate. It's so much more user friendly than the others. Don't look at Sierra charts because it will make you think you need to have a degree in engineering to understand it or code it.
Just to get it up and running.
Oh my god, Trade-O-Vate out of the box. It's there. Have a
Yeah.
look. You get a 2-week free trial as well. So if it's not for you, it's not for you. But if you are going to look at it, please use it in combination with understanding structure. I use it with supply and demand, so what Abe teaches, and just use footprint as confirmation of entries. Try and get a closer, tighter entry. When I first got it, oh my god, your mind is, but you're like, okay, buy it. Okay, so oh my god, there's a seller, sell it. Oh, what the fuck? Stopped out. Ah, you get rocked so quickly. So just use it in combination with understanding trends, structure, supply, demand, whatever plan you follow. It's not a cheat code. Definitely not a cheat code.
There's no cheat code.
Yeah, 100%.
But there's no doubt that order flow is going to give you the most information possible, as well as the order book or that heat map thing. What's the
Yeah,
name
heat
of
map.
that?
Yeah. The
God, I
bubbles.
forget. Yeah, the bubbles. It's a
Yeah.
heat map.
I just call it heat map. Yeah.
Yeah, that also gives you very unique information that you can't find. Because like you'll see like, oh look at that, there's like 100 lots just sitting up there for whatever, for no apparent reason. And then you look at the maybe like the structure of the market and you're like, well, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy it down here and I'm gonna have my TP right there because that 100 lot it's gonna get filled. And strangely enough, it happens all the time. It's like just random 100 lots sitting in the middle of nowhere, and then the market ends up getting it a couple hours later.
Ryan, I understand why you're considering other flows, because you might look at that other flow and might not even like it. But my question to you is, what you're doing now, are you seeing results? If you're seeing results, there's no need to change anything. Now, if you're not seeing results, then okay.
Yes, this order flow will allow you for better entries and stuff. But like Abe said, it's like most people, they will not want to trade a tick chart, and most people will not want to trade the order flow because you saw the chart. Like most people look at that and be like, shit, what? I can't understand it.
And good might be waiting for FOMC, but we'll see what happens when NYSE opens.
Damn. That would be crazy if it waits for FOMC because that's quite a way to go. And
Yeah.
we've seen it happen before, though. It's like it really will, chop around for hours on end waiting for it. Yeah, kill the beat side. Sometimes too much ain't always the best. And like some people, man, they trade fucking using ICT. It's like using the bare minimum. It's like using unicorn, fucking silver bullet, and whatever nonsense, and somehow they make money, you know? So, shit, okay.
Unicorn strap.
Turtle soup, yeah.
Turtle soup. Turtle soup's the best one.
Hmm.
Ah, 3400's holding like a champ.
Oh, yeah, tapped it again to the dot.
Yeah, if you look left, you can see all the heavy buys that got trapped, and then that heavy sell came in. This might be it. This might be the drop.
Might be.
Might be.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Hold on to your anus.
You know, for the last 3 hours, I was just looking at it on the 1 minute chart. Jesus, when it looks like it's going somewhere and it goes back in.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. Oh, God, are you serious with this shit?
I told you. I don't believe it until it breaks.
Oh, man.
Look at that shit. What did it do? It dropped like 60 pips and almost went up like 40 pips.
What a joke.
Yeah. That's also why I said I don't give a shit about supply or demand outside of here. It's like just the high and the low of the range, just keep trading it. But you know, it's like I don't really want to risk it. Harry made money on Asian session. Yoda Beat says won't have a decent drop until the highs get taken out.
Hmm.
Look at that. 180'd. 180'd the candle.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's had plenty of time to drop, yeah. I still think like it could very easily go bullish. Very easily. Oh, and also, man, like, you know, like lots of people, they can trade like, you know, supply and demand, moving averages, whatever. It's like, I don't hate on any of them. It's like, trade whatever, you know, works for you, you know? It's like, I love learning like different things and seeing what works and what can improve my trading and whatever. I think they're all good, except for ICT, which is a total bullshit scam of rebranding and nonsense. But as long as you don't trade ICT, I'm good. You know, you can trade moving averages, Bollinger Bands, whatever. Just don't tell me about no fucking unicorn turtle soup bullshit.
30 minutes till NYSC up on my see something. Yeah, possibly. We actually got 25 minutes now. We could see something right before. Mm, fully bullish.
Yes said, thanks for changing the tune. Almost thought I was watching Lord of the Rings. Man, I love Lord of the Rings. I loved that shit when I was a kid. I remember the third movie was so goddamn long. I was like holding in my piss, like I'm like, please God, finish, man, like Jesus. And then
Between
the movie, like,
between Game of Thrones and Lord of the Rings, which one is better?
Man, Game of Thrones fucked up on the last season. That
yeah,
could,
the last season was real bad.
yeah, Thrones could have been the best series ever made, but the last season just ruined it.
Well, I still feel like Game of Thrones is better than Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, no, I'd agree. Man, we're watching The Last of Us at the moment. Really good.
Oh yeah, Last of Us is good. Wait, is season 2 out?
What?
Yeah, just started season 2 just now.
Oh. Oh
No
man,
spoilers.
I need to get back on Max.
Oh. From what I heard, the game, The Last of Us Part 2, the game, sucked. Apparently people really hated it, so I'm assuming season 2 of Game of Thrones is... I mean... The Last of Us is probably gonna receive some hate.
Oh,
Oh,
because it was off the game. They switched some stuff up even for even in season 1.
Oh, I don't know. Never played the game, but yeah, watch season 1. It was good. Season 2, I don't know. I don't even know why they hated the game so bad, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, I haven't seen season 2.
Man, Killerbeat said he's never watched Lord of the Rings. Holy shit, son. Damn. Lord of
Oh
the Rings was
man,
what?
fantastic.
you missed out, kid, a bit.
Yeah, second film, that fight sequence at the end is amazing.
Man, like I remember the very first episode or first season of Game of Thrones. It gave me massive Lord of the Ring vibes. I was like, "Oh my God,
Yeah,
this is fucking sick."
yeah, definitely.
Joe, we're talking about the Last of Us on the HBO.
You know, what, I haven't actually played the game, but I know there's. Yeah, I'm really hoping no one spoils it.
Okay.
OM goat sales. Oh, Joe, you know. Okay. And that
From.
just keeps tanking.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I've seen From. It's like first couple. I think like the first season was pretty interesting, and then
From
slowly gets worse. Like not
the,
as interesting.
there's a show called From.
Yeah, it's
Where's it
like about
from?
monsters, some weird monsters, and yeah, that's the one.
Man, those monsters are scary as fuck.
Oh wow. Hmm. It looks old though. Is it an old
Huh?
show? Is it an
No,
old show?
no.
Mm.
I think it's got that like the visual coloring is like of an old town that they're in or something like that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. It's kind of like maybe like a Silent Hill or something like that.
Oh, I see. It's a tug of war between sellers and buyers right now.
Yeah, there's an enormous buyer at 33.99 that just came on.
Oh yeah.
He stand by.
A buyer at 33.99 at the
Yeah,
highs, man,
yeah, big boy. I'm gonna see if it closes below him, and then
And
man.
it's gonna close below him, above him, all around him.
I'm gonna take both. I'm gonna do buy and sell.
And a
Ah, he's-
big boy buyer at the right at the highs.
yeah, right at the minute he's sort of at the top of the candle right now.
Really, it doesn't mean anything. It's in the range. It's in the chop. I mean, obviously, somebody's loading up for a big push, but who the fuck knows which direction it's going?
It means everything. Delta Force. Delta Force.
Any trick or way to avoid over trading? Yeah, just
Stop
fucking stop.
looking at the charts.
Fucking stop.
Like I don't know. It's weird when people ask like questions like that because it's like, don't you have self control? Like it's like, is there any way to like stop overeating? It's like, yeah, don't fucking eat, you fat cunt. Jesus Christ, what the fuck?
Oh man, you'd be a really good politician, Wolf.
Yep. Just stop looking at the
Nah.
charts. That's
Well, we'll get
that's
caught
it.
swearing too much.
I'd vote for him.
Wow, maybe you should run for the mayor of your city.
Man, there'd be so many like haters on me instantly.
I just said how to avoid overtrading, delete MT5. Overtrading is easy to stop. It's easy to stop. Just one solution. Don't look at the charts no more. And that's not hard to do. But I do feel like the main issue new traders are having that's been preventing them from stopping from not over trading is they still have that 9 to 5 mentality, working freaking 8, 9, 10 hours a day, so they still feel like, man, okay, I got to do this too. 8, 10
yeah.
hours a day. And nope, you don't need to do that. Had your first loss after 9 days. Nice.
Did you hear that? He said nice because you had your first loss. Man, Abe's a hater.
Yeah, worst trader ever.
Don't listen to him, Joe.
Oh yeah, DS Squid Games is good.
Damn, Joe. You agree with WoW? Okay.
That's a first.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Lock it in. Lock it in, chat.
I love how excited Pi is, and then watch this candle go straight back to highs.
Yeah. Straight back to 3400. Yeah, come on, baby. Man, where's Lucian? I miss Lucian.
Yeah.
He said he'll be back this week, but no, maybe he's still enjoying his vacation.
Blew all his profit on hookers and coke.
Ten minutes for NYSC.
Oh, Edwin's back. Giddy must have finished.
Oh, nice, nice.
I'm just messing with you, Gideon. Edwin.
But to be honest, learn discipline and patience from me. Thank you, and you're welcome. For this OM is actually going to be 150. Make sure you already know what you're willing to lose. I still got the old one. Like to use the new one, well, you got to start a new combine, which I probably would. You want to buy a little bit?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
There we go. I'm in this trade. So you guys heard it. You had it here first. Sales. Oh. Okay. The rest is out of our hands now.
I'm so happy you're mine. I know that it's real this time. And I'll still be there when you're old, holding your hands if they're cold. I will take good care of you if you take care of me. Nothing else in this pretty world is quite so important to me. No, my darling, you'll see
Oh, damn.
the only
Wow.
you're the only thing that's in my mind. 'Cause you're beautiful.
Trigger those on it. Trigger those in and shit. The other way. Oh.
Oh, that's it.
Wow.
I will take good care of you if you take care of me. Nothing else in this pretty world is quite so important to me. You're the only thing that's in my life. Beautiful and you're kind.
Yeah, I'm just gonna move the London session trade and move this stop loss. Whoa.
My darling, you'll see you're the only one there.
4 minutes NYSE.
Oh, please. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Well, please take over for me.
Yeah. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Well, this little pullback it's had, hopefully that high that it's created up there holds. Mm. Happening on YouTube. This might be a liquidity grab to move up, maybe. There's white noise coming from the stream. Let me see. I don't really hear white noise. I think like maybe faint, maybe very faint. Oh, here we go. NYSE's open. Let's see what they do. Man, this thing looks like it might want to go back up. Might want to go back up into range again. Whoop. Yeah, does want to go back up in that range. Well, now you gotta see what happens once it gets to the high of the range, see if it will reject again. Which is risky, super risky now. Because obviously they might want to run the highs if it gets back up there.
When nighttime falls, you're my daylight. There's a sign of something coming through that stops me thinking right. Weekend wonders, midnight calls, wake me up when Friday comes. I need that hit of whatever it is. Come, pull me in, wrap me up, warm my skin. Honestly,
I'll be looking for a sell setup once it gets back to around 399.0. But honestly, jeez, looks like it's gonna run it.
yeah, you're all I need.
Okay, 97.7. Big sell order was up there. Can they get past him? Yes, they can.
Weekend wonders, midnight calls, wake me up when Friday comes. I need that hit of whatever it is.
Well, it's sort of folding, I guess. Staying under it.
Wrap me up,
Not very impressive.
warm my skin. Honestly,
Yeah, that didn't look
Yeah,
good.
that's not good that he's got.
Now they're gonna use him as support and push higher.
But close below him. That'd be good.
Yeah.
There we go. Get below him. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. Trap those buyers. Trap those fucking buyers. That's it. That's it. Talk
Okay,
dirty to the
okay.
crowd. That's it. That's it.
Hmm. So right before NYSE opened, this bearish candle started pulling back.
Jeez. Yes, yes. Hmm. Man, it's still chopping. It's just chopping.
Oh, there's another one. Okay. Get below him.
you're still falling. Mm.
Oh, well, stopped me out at break even. Tried to sell that. Did not work out. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think it's found acceptance back inside the range. It's probably gonna want to test the highs.
Damn, I think this music is too loud. Oh, oh.
Yeah, it's going straight for the highs.
Here we go.
Oh, my mic? Yeah, I gotta stop touching my beards. I don't even have that much beards. I don't know why I'll be touching it. Man.
Faking. We got faked in.
Yeah, it's just running straight forward. It's going for everyone's stop losses.
Oh. Weird place to grab liquidity though. But we'll see what happens.
Every passing call, each face becomes familiar.
We're in a trade already? Yes.
You tore it out of me. A heart so full of unbelief.
Mm.
The part that others rarely see.
I don't trade FOMC. What happens with this twitch? Yeah, I'm taking my ass back to sleep.
I caught a buy 97.5 out at 400.5. It did not break that high that it is currently sitting on, but man, it looks like it wants it. You said the highs need to be taken out for a decent drop. Well, the lows got taken out, so maybe it's take out the lows for a decent pop. Swept, taken out, broken, grabbed.
I don't even think it is talking about any of these minor highs. It's probably talking about this high here.
Oh,
I could be wrong. I don't know.
man, that's pretty far away. Like, if it takes that out, I would think it just goes straight bullish.
Yeah.
Alright, shit, I'm gonna fucking start trading this. Ah.
Well, this candle still has 2 minutes to close. I mean less than a minute, not two. Definitely was expecting a fall here. Ah, okay. Ah, what's up? It is over. What? Hmm. Mm. Hanging on by a thread here. created another support, and this candle is trying to break this high. Yeah. Okie dokie. If we lose this trade, there's gonna be 2 losses this week on stream.
Well, what's happened with gold? Oh shit, yeah, it's going straight for the stop loss, man.
Yep. Well, guess my analysis was wrong. Oh well. Oh. That's still in the supply. Yeah, but it's breaking the most recent high that it created. That does not look good.
Especially the way it broke it. It
Yeah.
whips
Order
up.
cancelled.
Yep, there we go.
Stop filled.
Damn, that must have been news. My NAS TP just smashed. It just tanked like 40, 50 pips instantly.
And that's just dropping.
That just dropped. No, I was looking for a buy in that, and it's just dropped. But it's
Oh,
gone
buy?
beyond where I
Damn.
wanted. Yeah, but not now.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
I was going to enter. I mean, it's still within my. I'm looking at it.
Well,
What time is it? 2:49.
okay. Well, that's it for me. That London trade, of course, yeah. I ended up losing 2 today, so it's okay. Speak
Pleasure
again
shop.
tomorrow and Friday. I'm done. I ain't trading FOMC. We're back again down in London session. Alright, YouTube. I appreciate you all. A loss today. That's 2 losses for this week on stream. You win some, you lose some. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. God bless. Peace. Alright, guys. We'll see how tomorrow goes. Back at it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Thanks, Abe.
Wait.
Bad luck.
Welcome, guys.
Damn.
Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys.
Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the 1st, by the 5th it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. Daddy had bills to pay, mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. it up. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me, yeah, yeah. Bloodsuckers around me, I don't like no Dracula. Took my life from Earth and I made that spectacular. Gotta protect your energy, everything I spit factual. And I'm trying to build a legacy, still praying for my enemies, yeah, yeah. Came from nothing, now we flexing out in public. I remember going to sleep on empty stomach. Now I got a chef and chauffeur in my budget. And baby, I love it, ooh, baby, I love it. Didn't have much coming up, but we managed. Paid on the first, by the fifth, it would vanish. No, I can't afford to be down bad or panic or deal with the damage. I turned to a savage. His daddy had bills to pay and mama had mouths to feed. So I'll do what I gotta do, one day they'll be proud of me. From rags to the riches, survival of the fittest. We're far from finished, so I'm grinding till I'm balling. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Came from nothing, now we ballin'. And I don't plan on stopping. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. Baby, I got big plans, big plans. So don't you switch up. Don't you switch up on me. So don't you switch up.